Now that we have this code written out, we can write the code that initiates when the transition is done. Go after the myList equals new object line and press enter a few times. Now type myList with a capital L dot all transitions with a capital T in with a capital I done with a capital D space equals space function open and close parenthesis colon void with a capital V enter open bracket enter again close bracket up arrow enter. This code will initiate when all of the transitions that are in transitions are done. I'm just going to type a trace statement. In quotes I'm going to put done. Semicolon to end that statement. Before this works, we have to attach our transition manager object to our listener. So go to the very last line of code, the very end of that line, press enter a few times to go down a few lines. Now we're going to add our listener to our transition manager by typing my capital T capital M dot add event with a capital E listener with a capital L open parenthesis. Then in quotes we put what event we're listening for, which is this, all transitions in done. So type that. In order to capitalize the T in transitions, capitalize the I in N, capitalize the D in done, close quote, comma, then the name of your listener, which is my list with a capital L, close parenthesis, semicolon. This line of code tells Flash to add an event listener to your transition manager object. Remember, an event listener is something that listens to the information that's being broadcast by something. Information being broadcast is when all the in transitions are done. And once that happens, we're tracing the word done. And in quotes here, we have the event that it's listening for, comma, and then the listener name. Test the movie. Watch the magic. Obviously, you don't just want to put a trace statement inside of there. You can have whatever you want to initiate. If we wanted that code to initiate without transitions instead of in transitions, you just have to change it here. All transitions out with capital O. Down here, it says transition.out, all capital letters. In the add event listener line, I want to say all transitions out, done. Make sure the O is capitalized. Now test the movie. Behold. So that's how you can execute code when a transition is done coming in or going out.